We use plastic and we throw it. We don't care what will be done by this plastic. See, after eating plastics, animals go to die. We don't care these animals, just we think about our uses, our enjoyment. We throw bottles, we throw straws after using these, and we don't care what should be the happen after using these.
Tens of thousands of animals, like cows, birds, whales, turtles, die every year due to plastic. Plastic in the gut just stays there, stops food digestion, often leading to slow, painful death. Plastic takes up to 1,000 years to decompose. So even after killing an animal, it goes on to kill many more. It was too late for these animals, and if we don't act, it will be too late for everyone. Out of 300 million tons of plastic produced annually, only 10% gets recycled. That means we have a lot to do. Let's get started.
छोड़ो प्लास्टिक थैली हम सब ने अब ठानी अपना लो कपड़े की कोई थैली नहीं पुरानी ये सोच सयानी ये सोच सयानी
Can I get you something to drink? Yes, we will have a lemonade, but no straws, please.
ये सोच सयानी ये सोच सयानी ये सोच सयानी ये सोच सयानी
I would like to buy a pack of water bottles, please. Sure, ma'am. But Mom, I can refill my reusable bottle. Oh, it's okay. This is cheap and easy. We can just use a throw. Mom, I love you, but I have another mother. My Mother Nature. I love her too. I don't think she would like it if we keep abusing her resources.
Be the change you want to see.
Last
देती है सूरज